My dear friend, where does one even begin? 5 years circumnavigating the globe, it was like living within the pages of Humboldt's most vivid descriptions, but magnified 100-fold. I think what struck me most profoundly was the sheer abundance and variety of life, particularly in South America. When we first landed in Brazil, I was quite literally overwhelmed. I wrote in my journal that it was impossible to give an adequate idea of the higher feelings of wonder and astonishment which I experienced. The tropical forest was like entering a new world, entirely the butterflies, the parasitic plants, the symphony of sounds from creatures I had never imagined. But equally striking was the distribution of species. Why should closely related animals be found in neighboring regions, yet differ in specific ways? The Rhees of South America. Why should there be different species in the north and south? And those mockingbirds of the Galapagos, each island seemed to have its own variety, yet they were clearly related. The geological revelations were equally astounding. Witnessing that great earthquake in Chile in 1835, seeing the land rise several feet, Lyell's theories came alive before my very eyes. I found marine shells embedded high in the Andes, proof that these mighty mountains had once been beneath the sea. But perhaps most haunting was my encounter with the Fuegians at the southern tip of South America. Here were fellow human beings living in conditions so primitive, yet they were unmistakably human. It forced me to confront the continuity between all living things, that we too were part of nature's grand design. The voyage didn't just show me new species, it showed me that species could change. That revelation would occupy the rest of my life's work.